Good evening, madam. This is group 2, prepared by Nasasra Irene, Tasim Immaculate, Akankuna Leonidas Tumim Diana. String and character processing using string methods like concat, contains, cross equals, insert, replace, press, substring. In C#, a string is a data type. It helps you to make a single variable hold related data of various data types. Numerate types. It is a user-defined varitype used to represent a list of named integer constants. It is created using the enum keyword inside a class, structure, or namespace. It improves the program's readability, maintainability, and reduces complexity.
Image list control. An image list is a supporting control that is typically used by other controls such as list view, but is exposed as a component to developers. We can use these components in our applications when we are building our own controls such as photo gallery or an image rotator. Control 6. Then image list control. We have classes, methods, and objects as shown below.
We have constructor overloading. When more than one constructor of the same name is defined in the same class, they are called overloaded if the parameters are different from each constructor. Encapsulation and abstraction. Encapsulation means hiding data, while abstraction means hiding implementation using abstract classes and interfaces. Arrays and lists. Arrays are used to store multiple values, while a list is a collection of strongly typed objects.
Two-dimensional arrays. This consists of single-dimensional arrays as its elements. For example, we have int array x, then numbers. Then three-dimensional arrays, they are referred to as multi-dimensional arrays, and they are even defined as arrays of arrays that store data in tabular form. Then we are going to show how the system works. We have
in our question we were asked to be having strings character processing using strings, methods like concat, contains, cross equal, insert, press, substring, and let us show you strings first.
We have the string here, and this string takes us to the two-dimensional array, which is here as it is shown in this.
The next one is object.
The object, we have string with an array creating a new object of a string of a two-dimensional array. Then we have method for which we have the for loop that it will iterate the two-dimensional array by looping the names until they reach the end. We have the get length of in which the method will loop itself. Then we have
We also have equals. Another one is how to database. Connect it to database.
This is our database connection code. As we see, have the dbcon equals data source and the we select from address book, which is our database. Address is the database name and address book is
Database.
Then when we run our code, if we run our code and we put our username as group2 and our password as group2, we are trying to show you encapsulation, meaning hiding data. Then if and also same as abstraction, then if we sign in into our system, it will successfully log in. Then now we are going to describe the data grid view. Instead of using the Crystal report, if we will use view to see the data grid, then start inserting data as we have been requested to do so. Then if we insert our data and we try to save it, it will automatically be saved into our data. Then if we try to view, we delete by ID and update by ID also. Then if we try to describe that of dimensional array, the information will be brought as we inserted it. That is the two-dimensional array.
This is the information we entered of number 6. We entered and saved, and we do not have number 5 because we deleted it using this pattern. And that is all we had. Thanks for listening.
Then that's the